Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey y'all. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Hold on. Yeah, whatever. I look tired so. Anyways, today is November 12th and I'm getting ready to go to my friend's baby shower. But someone come to me this morning and say, I go prank car until I said, I'm not come nowhere. Yeah, I'm gonna text her right now and tell her that I'm not coming. Something came up. That's exactly what I'm gonna tell her. But I never prank her before, so I say, you know, I'm gonna prank her, so I'm not gonna. It's see time. See, 2 o'clock. I text her right now. It's like 70 degrees outside, nice. Surprisingly, because to all Arian wake me up this morning, like, hello. Yeah, I lay in my bed asleep, mind my business. And me just hear, psh, like one piece of rain. Let me close my window. Alright, so text her right now. Something came up. Shall I make it up to you? No, I ordered her stuff, her gift, and he said it was gonna be here. He was gonna make it here on time, so I sent it to her house. But I just got earlier I see that one of the, I guess half of the package was delivered. He went backside. Yo. Sorry girl, I love you. I had to do it though because I don't want to stress her out because the lady pregnant. So me want to stress her out, but I feel like I feel away because yesterday she texted me. The last much to say. Say can't wait to see you. Can't wait to see you tomorrow. You see? Can't wait to see you tomorrow. Me love ramp. But anyways, yeah, I get ready and put on my clothes and come up here. See, Shena, I'm ready. I don't mean I make. See, my bag ready and everything. I put on my pants. Oh yeah, I said for me, I wait until she texts back. She don't text back yet. The girl will cuss me, you know. The girl will cuss me. If he says she will feel that way. I don't know, she probably not gonna reply to me. What the hell she not reply to me? Oh, you know why I do it too? I'm not such a feel away. I'm just such a feel away because she text me and ask me if I can host. I'm saying, no girl. So I'm not like talking for the people. Which is true. And everybody know me from school. I just don't like talking a big crowd. I can't do that. So that's one reason why me tell us I can't come. Nah, but I'm showing up for my friend because my friend been there for me. So you gotta show up for people that show up for you. Period, poo. Show up for people that show up for you. Okay? Right this up. Oh no, she's not gonna back on people. Because I'm text the girl, she's not text back. Backside. She feel that way. Oh gosh. Me want to feel. I want prank she, I swear. This is let me get rid of the girl. I want prank. 220. Lord God. Shena, I love you, boo. I'm sorry, girl. I had to prank you. Alright. I wonder if she knows I prank me, I prank her. She not answer. The girl probably pick up, say I prank me, I prank her. I don't know. We'll see when I get there. So maybe take a bus on the train. Train first, then the bus. That feel nice. Alright, me soon know I'm reach when I go, yeah? Wait for the 47. Because it's that happening. I used to live around here. Well, not around here. Like further or more. But I used to come down here when I used to live up there. So that's the place I went to go do my security classes. This is right here. on Ralph and Fulton. Star security. Of course, NYPD gonna be everywhere. Listen, man, I made them, nobody stress me out today. Man, I run your girl. Me probably would have left people on read too. You know, come, you know, come. You know, she probably think say I don't really have planned for a long time because I'm sending something to our house, a gift to our house, but no, it give honest to God, it give then I go reach. It's saying then I go reach before today. So I'm just sending to ours and done. I got a bus to King's Plaza. The bus is taking forever. You need to hurry up. 2 buses. They take forever. No, 2 will come. This one empty. Oh, I'm about to crash. I just got off the bus. You know, so I could have walked come down here. Me up there with on bus. But it would have been an 11-minute walk though. But I just got here. I'm like, I don't know if she's in there, but I see the doors open, so I'm about to go inside and see something. Hold on. I think this is it. Hi. Hello. Yeah. I'm Annika. Hi. Huh? I'm Annika. Annika? Yeah. Okay. Hello. I'm not here yet. Aw, she's such a good friend. I'm not even gonna reply. She comes, she gonna see me. That's all. If you want to take pictures, go ahead and pull your phone out. This will probably be the only time you see her wear makeup. Oh, she's cute. Can you see me yet? Can you see me yet?
Oh my God, this is cool. You got the makeup flat. We stay obsessed. Oh, you look so cute.
She just saw me. She's like, so pretty.
Any last minute flashcards?
She's so pretty. Oh.
Oh my God, this is cool. You got the makeup flat. We stay obsessed.
She just saw me. She's like, so pretty. Coming around. Giving everybody hugs.
You told me you wasn't coming.
She and I are going to be your hosts for the evening. So welcome, Shena and Drew's baby shower. For those of you that don't know the gender, Shena, you're having a
Boy.
boy.
That's the only thing.
What's his name? Drew. Drew, what's his name?
Got a name there.
Alright, so we're just going to wait a minute for her parents to come and then we'll get started. Alright.
It's for a game. They say if somebody say baby, take it from them.
You're supposed to put it on yourself. And if you're having, if you're conversing with someone and they say the word baby, then you can snatch up that pin. And we don't ever have
We got 4 prizes. You can't say baby in any language.
right.
Try to get away with it with the patois, Creole, and Spanish.
And at the end, we're going to tally who has the most and then that person is. In this game, we're going to be using the yarn to try and get the size of Sheena's belly. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of like reel it out and then you let me know when you want me to stop.
Her belly is so small. That's why you don't have enough boy. Her belly is small.
Oh my god. Okay.
Everyone has a piece, right?
I don't.
Hopefully he can fit it on her belly. Her belly is small.
Alright, so who wants to come up first?
I don't know.
What I mentioned is whose is this?
Nine. What's her name? Anakin.
This one looks like perfect.
No. Who's that one for?
I need 2 more. I have 2 more inches. 2 inches. Damn.
Just as long as
Say sorry.
Thank you.
Got a heart attack. She's like, I'm missing one.
Alright. This game is called Guess Who, Mommy or Daddy.
Oh,
We're gonna need Shena and Drew.
not her
Go
face.
ahead.
Okay. She's like, what?
Here, I'll just take your Drew.
Is she here?
So I'm gonna ask you and Shena questions, right? And you have to answer who you think is gonna be you or her. So blue if it's you, pink for her, and Shena.
Oh, they can't see each other.
But y'all can't see. They can't see the mirrors, can they?
No. He can, but she can. Oh, she can. Oh, sorry.
So don't look at the girl?
Yeah, no, don't look at the mirror. All right, first question. Who would be the more patient parent?
Wait, hold on. So when you ask the question, what do I do?
If you think it's you, you put a pink for you.
Put up the pink card.
If you think it's true, you put a blue. All right, so who would be the more patient parent?
Oh.
Who would be the more strict parent? Shena.
Answer.
Yeah. You gotta put it up high and who you think. Who would baby look like more? Shena, I can't see the card. Shena, oh, you want to look like who would get up with the baby more in the middle of the night?
Is the answer right?
In the atmosphere.
Oh, she said.
You think Drew's gonna get up more in the middle of the night?
She said he should.
Speak it into existence.
You like opted for parenting advice. Who will read more books to the baby? Which parent was spoiled the kid the most? Who suggested the baby's name? Baby ain't got no name. Whose fault is it?
It's
Whose
all
fault?
me.
Okay.
That's all me.
Who would want more children sooner? Shena, what's your answer, She?
I'm one and done.
Who would pick up the baby stuff around the house more?
What do you mean? What kind of question is that?
Why are you telling me you was gonna make it? I'm like this heifer. I'm like this heifer. Are you really videoing? I'm like
I'm gonna
this
do the rest.
heifer.
But I said I'm gonna do the rest. But you know what I do?
Vlog. But you fucking told. I was thinking in my mind. I'm like, this heifer told me she was gonna 45 minutes before. I was like, maybe something is wrong with your son.
You really think something will come?
Me don't know something might happen with that job. You crazy ass job.
Shena, I don't work on weekends though. You know
Okay. Yeah, you don't.
that. I was pranking you.
She got me.
Should I see her face? Because me not rock hard boy. Because when you point upon me just start laughing. I never get the footage.
I hope you send me whatever because I'm not video nothing or
Oh yeah, me have everything. I'm just tag you all ago. Look at her belly. She having a boy. We boy mom.
Yes, we are.
That's some food and butter.
Babe, I see you sleep.